Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set system notification sound on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll down. Then here is the sound and vibration. So you have to click on it. On the sound and vibration, after that click here on ringtone. Sorry, you have to click on notifications. Okay, here you have to click on notifications. Just move back, move on notifications. Then here you have to click on profile. After that here click on ringtones. Then by clicking on notifications only, you are going to find the notifications system ringtones. Don't click on ringtone, just click on notifications and move on profile, then come on ringtone. This is the system ringtones of notifications. So if you want to set, just click on apply option and it will be set successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.